Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the online class for the students of honors third year at Dhaka Mahanagar Mahila College. With you, I am Shabnam Bailey, lecturer in English at Dhaka Mahanagar Mahila College. Today, our topic is the chapter-wise summary of Robinson Crusoe from 22 to 26. So now let's see those chapters. In previous chapter, we were at that point when he saw a shipwreck, and he saved some household core or some necessary things for himself. In chapter 12, title is "I hear the first sound of a man's voice." That means he is now able to hear the footstep or something of a man after so many years. Crusoe reflects on the original sin of disobeying his father, recounting the foolish decision he has made throughout his life. One night he dreams that 11 cannibals arrive on his island to kill a victim who escapes and runs to Crusoe for protection. About a year and a half afterward, Crusoe finds 5 canoes on the island and 30 cannibals on the beach, preparing 2 victims for slaughter. After the first is killed, the second breaks away and runs towards Crusoe's hiding place. He is pursued by 2 cannibals but is faster than they are. Crusoe attacks both pursuer and the pursues the frightened victim to approach. Finding Crusoe friendly, the native vows devotion to his liberator. After burying the remains of the 2 pursuers so as not to be tracked later, Crusoe and the native return to his camp where the native sleeps. Here we find another man at the spot. That means after so many years of lonely life, Crusoe finally finds a man or a companion in that deserted island. But before that, he visualizes some dreams. He visualizes a dream of coming a man towards him. But that dream comes true after 1.5 years. That means প্রায় 1.5 বছর, অর্থাৎ তার প্রভিডেন্সের যে সংকেত বা প্রভিডেন্স থেকে যে সংকেতটা আসে বা যে সেটা আসে সেটা থেকে প্রায় 1.5 বছর পরে তার স্বপ্নটা সত্যি হলো। অ্যান্ড নাও হি ফিলস আ সর্ট অফ রিলিফ অ্যান্ড অলসো হি ফিল সাম সর্ট অফ টেনশন। এখন সে রিলিফও পাচ্ছে যে সে একটা কম্পানিয়ন পেয়েছে, আবার একই সাথে সে একটু টেন্সডও হয়ে গিয়েছে, কারণ যেহেতু সে অলরেডি 2 ক্যানিবালকে মেরে আরেকজনকে সে বাঁচিয়েছে। সো it may have a fear that those cannibals come and attack them later. In the chapter 23, I call him Friday. Finally, he named him as Friday. Crusoe names the native Friday to commemorate the day on which Crusoe saves the native's life. Friday again asserts his subservience to Crusoe. Crusoe teaches him simple English words and clothes him. Returning together to the slaughter scene, Crusoe has Friday clean up the bones and skulls and tries to convey to his servant the horror of cannibalism. Crusoe is delighted with his new companion and teaches him to eat goat meat instead of human flesh. He realizes he must expand his grain cultivation, which Friday helps him to do. So we find another picture. He not only gets joy finding Friday, but also he finds a companion in that deserted island, and also he finds a helper. অর্থাৎ আগে যে কাজগুলো তার জন্য খুবই অসুবিধা হয়ে যেত বা খুবই সমস্যা পড়ে যেত, ডিফিকাল্ট হতো, এখন একটা হেল্পার পেয়ে সে খুবই খুশি। বাট মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্টলি হিজ লোনলি লাইফ এন্ডস উইথ দ্য কামিং অফ ফ্রাইডে, অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ দ্য রিলিফ ফর দ্য Crusoe, and he was very much delighted. He is very much delighted there that he clothes him. He tries to teach him his way of living, and he also tries to make him acquaintance with the goat meat, so that he may not have craving for human flesh. Then comes chapter 24. We make another canon. Crusoe begins to love Friday more and more, and in this course of rudimentary conversation with him, he learns that the cannibals periodically visit the island. Crusoe also acquires enough geographical information to locate himself near Trinidad. Crusoe finds out that Friday is aware of mainland Spainers who kill many men. Crusoe attempts to educate Friday in religious matters and finds that his servant easily understands the notion of God, to whom Friday draws similarities with his own deity Bina Makki. Friday has more difficulty understanding the devil, not grasping why God does not rid the world of this evil being permanently, and Krusha has trouble answering this question. Krusha admits that he lacks the religious knowledge necessary for instructing Friday in all the aspects of God and the devil. Friday reports that the cannibals have saved the man from the shipwreck discovered by Krusha before Friday's liberation, and those men are living safely among the natives now. When Friday expresses a yearning to return to his country, Krusha fears losing him, and when Krusha considers trying to join the shipwreck survivors, Friday becomes upset and begs Krusha not to leave him. Together, the two build a boat in which they plan to sail to Friday's land in November or December. Here we find some inner aspect of Robinson Crusoe. He not only tries to educate or clothe or to teach Friday of his way of living, but also he wants to input his religious belief in him. And whenever he finds that Friday also believes in same sort of opinion, or he also has same some opinion, he is somehow astonished, but he cannot answer. He could not answer the questions of Friday as to why God has not delete the evil things on this earth permanently. অর্থাৎ এই পৃথিবী থেকে ইভিলগুলোকে কেন গড পার্মানেন্টলি রিডিউস করে দিচ্ছে না বা বাতিল করে দিচ্ছে না, কেন শুধুমাত্র ভালোরাই থাকছে না, এই প্রশ্নের কোনো জবাব রবিনসন দিতে পারেনি. সো দিস ল্যাক্স হিজ রিলিজিয়াস নলেজ. অ্যাকচুয়ালি হি ডেভেলপস আ সর্ট অফ রিলিজিয়াস লাইকিংস ইন দিস ডেজার্টেড আইল্যান্ড, that also because of his selfishness or because of being rescued by the god, but not for his likings. So we can say that he lacks actually এখানে আমরা মানুষের একটা অনেকটা স্বার্থপর দিক দেখতে পাই. অর্থাৎ যখনই আমরা কোনো বিপদে পড়ি তখনই আমরা রিলিজিয়াস ওয়েতে বা গডকে মনে করার চেষ্টা করি, বাট নট বিফোর অ্যান্ড আফটার দ্যাট, অর্থাৎ এর আগেও না এর পরেও না. এই জন্য দেখা যায় যে ফ্রাইডের কোশ্চেনের কোনো আনসার ক্রুশোর কাছে ছিল না. And at the same time he is planning to escape from that island, and that's why he collects information from Friday as to what is the geographical location and what is where and which can be found where. And from Friday he learns that the shipwreck that was mentioned in the chapter before 21, some people were escaped or some people were saved by the cannibals, and they were living among the cannibals with the natives, and they plans to make those survivors as their companion and try to escape from that deserted island. The next chapter 25, titled We March Out Against the Cannibals, and the chapter begins with his quotation like, "My island was now peopled, and I thought myself very rich in subjects. How like a king I looked." Here we find a boastful and also some sort of colonial attitude in Crusoe. That is, he is now thinking that his island, not only the island, my island, he is considering or he is saying the island as my island was now peopled. অর্থাৎ যাদেরকে সে পেয়েছে একজন বা দুজন, দেখা গেল তাদেরকে দিয়ে সে খুব boastfully expresses that his island was now peopled, and he is thinking himself like a king and all of the people like the subjects. We find Crusoe or the colonial attitude, Crusoe's colonial attitude here, or mainly we can say that the colonial attitude of British people, how they grab the land, other land of remote areas, and he is making a territory there, and they are they are ruling there. So before Crusoe and Friday have a chance for their voice to the cannibals, as the cannibals visit Crusoe's island, 21 natives come in 3 canoes to carry out another cannibalistic attack on 3 prisoners. Hesitant on moral grounds to kill so many, Crusoe reasons that since Friday belongs to an enemy nation, the situation can be construed as a state of war in which killing is permissible. Approaching the shore, Crusoe observes that one of the prisoners is a European Crusoe and Friday fall upon the cannibals and quickly overcome them with their superior weapons, allowing only four to escape. Friday is overjoyed to find that another of the prisoners is his own father. Crusoe and Friday feed the dazed prisoners and carry them back to Crusoe's dwelling, where a tent is erected for them. Crusoe reflects contentedly on the people of his kingdom with loyal subjects. অর্থাৎ এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাই যে ফিয়ারটা সে এর আগে পেয়েছিল ক্রুশো, যে ক্যানিবালদের আবার ফেরত আসা, 3টা ক্যাননে করে 21 জন ক্যানিবাল ফেরত এসছে। বাট দিস টাইম দে আর নট মেন্ট টু অ্যাটাক ক্রুশো, বাট রাদার দে ব্রিং সাম ভিকটিমস টু বি ইটেন। তারা খাওয়ার জন্য কিছু লোকেদেরকে নিয়ে এসেছিলেন। অ্যামাং দেম দো অ্যাট ফার্স্ট ক্রুশো হেজিটেন্ট টু save them, to rescue them, but eventually they succumbs to their will, and they tries to save them, and they succeeded. তারা সাকসিডও হয়েছিল তাদেরকে বাঁচানোর ক্ষেত্রে, এবং যখন তারা বাঁচালো দেখতে পেল যে একজন ছিল হচ্ছে কি ক্রুশোর ফাদার এবং আরেকজন হচ্ছে কি ইউরোপিয়ান, এবং তাদেরকে দিয়ে মোটামুটি তাদের যে আইল্যান্ডটা এতদিন ধরে ডেজার্টেড প্লেস হয়েছিল সেটা আস্তে আস্তে একটা হ্যাবিচুয়াল প্লেস হওয়া শুরু করলো। Chapter 26, we plan a voyage to the colonies of America. After conversing with his two new subjects, Friday's father and the Spaniard, Crusoe revisits his earlier dream of returning to the mainland. Crusoe asks the Spaniard whether he can count on the support of the remaining men held on the cannibals' territory. The Spaniard said yes, but reminds Crusoe that food production would have to be expanded to accommodate so many extra men. With the help of his new workers, Crusoe increases his agricultural capacity. He gives each of the new men a gun. Here we find a ray of hope for Crusoe, because he can now eventually return to his mainland, and the people or the Spaniard who he rescued earlier in the earlier chapter, now they are negotiating or conversation, and they are in a conversation that whether they can escape or return to the mainland. The Spaniard confirms or in affirmative that they can count on him and they can return to the mainland, but they have to maintain or they have to supply the excessive food for the men for the men who are captured or who were being held in cannibals' territory. So to return, bringing those men back, they need extra agricultural capacity or food production. So now Crusoe begins to increase his agricultural capacity so that they can accommodate there and have their necessary things. And now they give their men a gun so that they can not only rescue himself but also rescue themselves. So I end my lesson here today, and I will come with the rest of the chapters in my next class. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, and be safe everywhere. Thank you.